Our next story comes from Japan. Researchers there have developed something which could be a game changer in the fight against plastic pollution. They have developed a plastic. It's no ordinary plastic because it dissolves in seawater within hours. The thing is, scientists have long experimented with biodegradable plastics, but researchers from the Riken Center for Emergent Matter Science and the University of Tokyo say their new material breaks down much more quickly and leaves no residual trace. This is extremely significant given that the world has been dealing with the impact of plastic pollution. It's a grave threat, after all, that has surrounded us from all sides. The menace of plastics. It's a monster created by human beings that is now choking our environment. In fact, the UN Environment Programme has predicted plastic pollution is set to triple by 2040, adding 23 to 37 million metric tons of waste into the world's oceans each year. It's a wake-up call for our world, which is already seeing horrific cases of how plastic impacts marine life and how microplastics enter and impact the human body. It's a race against time. The fight against plastic pollution and to save our planet. Scientists worldwide have been working towards the goal of tackling the plastic waste crisis. Let's tell you more about what the researchers did in Japan. The team demonstrated a small piece of plastic vanishing in a container of salt water after it was stirred up for about an hour. So what next now? The team has not yet detailed any plans for commercialization. The research has naturally attracted interest, including from those in the packaging sector. The new material is as strong as petroleum-based plastics, but breaks down into its original components when exposed to salt. Those components can then be further processed by naturally occurring bacteria, thereby avoiding generating microplastics. Generating microplastics that can actually harm aquatic life and also enter the food chain. Microplastics have been detected in water samples around the world at levels that are extremely concerning, and one estimate suggesting a rather alarming figure. The average person ingests about 4,000 plastic particles in drinking water annually. Can you believe that? This is a horror story, one of our own making. In fact, microplastics and nanoplastics, tiny bits of plastics, have been found in several parts of our body, including our brain and cardiovascular system. Research earlier found that microplastics can be passed from pregnant mothers to their unborn offspring. Marine life has been found with plastic objects suffocating them. And given the magnitude and intensity of the crisis, the question remains, can we win against the plastic monster created by us?